Oh god, security is so tight here. What are we gonna do? I don't know how to get in. Oh, it's a bit windy. You're going through that way. Wow. Yeah.
This just isn't scary compared to what we just did.
No. Nottingham city centre to this. It's a completely different world. It's also very windy. So I hope the footage hasn't got a really annoying windy noise over it. Smashed. Smashed to bits. Ain't nothing left. Oh no. I buggered myself. Eh. I don't know. It's good to see that this is still here. Let's go look in big building. Anything left in here? No, not really, no. Yeah. Big echo room.
Double seat. Oh, I think it's a generator. Yeah, someone's kicked it. It's just a box. It's just a weird. It is very weird. It's just like a generator.
Okay, a water tank. I think that's a tram. Yeah, it is. That would be the one thing to worry about. A speeding tram coming past. Yeah. Heights. We get to do something at height, Will, and not be like scared. There is a door up there. Are you peeing? I can hear you. I'm above you. Niagara. Screens and Plant Limited. Enfield, Middlesex. It's the screener. Big shaky plate. Screens all the rocks. The thing is, people can see us from like multiple different angles, but I don't think anyone cares. Yeah. Yeah, no, I don't think anyone cares really. There's a park there, there's a tram museum, and there's a monument up there. I'm going up here first, actually. Because this is the big crusher and the control panel for it. Oh, it's a bit wet. It really did chuck it down here, didn't it? Big buttons. It's a cool view. It's nice, nice and sunny too. Picture with the buttons. Oh, there was a building there. That's gone. Into the big old crasher. Oh. So you like quite handy tools actually, don't they?
I have them.
No, I'll leave them here.
Yes.
Don't care.
I think this is one of the types where just like security patrols in the van occasionally. Or just didn't even bother.
I mean, is there a gate they can open? Not really.
There's a tram coming.
Is there? I'm gonna hide. I don't know how regular the trams are. How I mean, we're not going to be here for much longer. It's quite funny that we just have to keep ducking for the trams. You can hear it. Lovely water. There we go. I'll leave the tools there. Someone else can find them. You're going up all the way to the top. Big old motor. Good view.
Hello.
It's nice. Long way down. You're standing on top of a...
I don't know what I'm still.
Hmm.
A radio.
Right, down he goes. Oh, you're going...
A look ski.
Yeah, you're having a look ski at my platform, are you? It's quite daunting being like going onto a ladder like at that angle.
The wash system.
Grindy. Wishy-washy. I hear woofers. Barky things. Oh yeah. They're gonna eat us up. They're hungry. They haven't... Oh, that's lovely. I wonder when that tram's going to come back, because it's going to come back pretty soon, isn't it?
Yeah.
That moves.
Yeah, I can't.
I can hear it a little bit.
I was going to go to the top of there, but yeah, I can't.
Yeah, no, it's just conveyor belts. Really. Yeah. Pretty much, pardon me. It's a cool place.
Yeah, they recent.
Huh? Yeah, it does look.
Because they would have got.
I saw on satellite. It looked like somebody has driven here in circles. I wouldn't know who though. I really doubt it's security of any form, because it would have come from that farm track where the crossing is. But I think this was a pretty quick and easy explore. I think it was quite nice, refreshing to get back out in the air, out of the city, back in Derbyshire.